Hi ma'am, sir. Good day. I'm Marilu Agpawa, 41 years old, live in 29 Nornas Garden, Esteban Abad Estate, Loyola Heights, Quezon City, Philippines. I am a high school graduate with 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls. Before, I worked in Jordan as a domestic helper with 1 couple and 3 children. The ages of their children are 8 months old, 8 years old, and 11 years old. And also I doing the household chores with like cooking, ironing, cleaning, washing dishes and clothes. I work there for 1 year because my madam is working abroad, so they need to immigrate. And when I go back here in the Philippines, I also work for 2 years with a Filipino employer and 1 couple and 1 child. The age of their child is 6 years old, and also doing the household chores. And I promise when you hire me, I will do my best and I give my trustworthy and loving to your family. Thank you.